Hey guys, so I'm in Hong Kong. What I've seen so far is pretty sweet. Spent most of the day at Causeway Bay. I'm with this guy.
Hello guys.
This is Brian, one of my best mates from school. We've been mates for like 6-7 years, and yeah, it's just sweet. Like awesome times in London, awesome times at school, awesome times in Malia, awesome times in Hong Kong. So finally, I'm this side of the world with you guys. Gonna see a bunch of awesome footage. The drone laws in Hong Kong are pretty easy. Yeah, I'm gonna get some sweet drone shots. Also, I've just started up my new Instagram account. It's purely just gonna be drone photos and drone videos. It's called I'm Ready to Drone, and I'll leave the link in the description down below. Go check it out. Yeah, I'll see you on the other side of this Hong Kong video.
What you learn as you get older, you must become a man one day. Put away childish things.
It ain't hard to tell.
Hey guys, so I'm now back home. I've been here for 2 days or so and it's been amazing. I've been seeing my family, just spending quality time with them. You know, we've been bantering, my brother and my sister. Yeah, it's been awesome fun. But let's talk about Hong Kong. Unfortunately, I didn't get as much footage as I wanted. I hope I got enough to make a video. I don't know yet because I haven't plugged it into Final Cut Pro. I've literally just been chilling with the family and not worrying about anything else. Hong Kong is a beautiful city. Beautiful buildings, very nice accommodation, amazing restaurants and food. It's just a really cool place to go and try out some food and see some amazing financial buildings. Hong Kong's split into two spots. There's Hong Kong Island, where my mate lived, spent some quality time with him during the day. Unfortunately, my friend Angus had work experience and still had some exams to do for university, so I didn't get to spend as much time with him as I had hoped to. But yeah, I stayed at Angus's place. Angus stayed in a place called Ho Man Tin near Kowloon station in Kowloon Bay, which is the route for the Airport Express. So yeah, I definitely managed to see a lot of the city because I was getting up at 7 in the morning with his parents and Angus to go grab some breakfast at a traditional bun place. I'll send some photos here now. It was awesome. I loved it. My favourite thing is chatu bao, which is like, so you can either get it steamed, which is sort of more dim sum style, but you usually get that in restaurants, or it's baked, which you can get anywhere really. All the traditional bun shops that are, you know, on the streets as a restaurant, as a diner, so they're pretty cool to go check out, and they definitely did a good job at letting me or introducing me to a bunch of their foods that they eat day in, day out. They do that every single morning, but from there I was going off on the MTR, going around the city. I did Causeway Bay one day, pretty sweet. There is this thing called the Peak, and that is in Hong Kong Island, and you have to get the tram all the way up. You can walk, but if you walk, you know, that's major respect to you because it's crazy steep. Given the humidity and the temperature as it is, like that would be a pretty hard thing to do. Anyway, you catch a tram all the way up to the top. There's an amazing restaurant. It's like a mini mall up there, mini shopping mall. You can do a bunch of walks, and on a good clear day you can see the whole of Hong Kong. However, the mountain was covered in cloud when I was there, which absolutely sucked. It would have been the best spot to capture some footage, like to fly the drone, to get some photos, get some time lapses on this thing. It just didn't work out, and it was just weather, which really sucked. Another day, Angus suggested that I went to go see the Big Buddha, which is it's over towards the airport. It's like an hour from the main city. But again, got there at 9, so got there nice and early. It sort of opened at 10, but anyway, it was cloudy, so I waited 2 hours. 2 hours in, if anything, it looked like it was getting more and more cloudy. Which yeah, so unfortunately, I didn't get much footage or much of an experience in Hong Kong. In terms of touristy experiences, I definitely 100% got every possible experience from the food. Do I like Hong Kong? No, I don't. It is an awesome place to go and see. As a backpacker, I'd only recommend a maximum of 3 days. I was there for 4. And I sort of ran out of things to do. Purely because I didn't want to spend money on all the expensive touristy stuff. If you had money, then yeah, spend a week. But if you don't, if you're like me, I'm just 19, I haven't had, you know, 5 years to work and make money to go travel and spend money everywhere, I didn't want to spend this much money. For that reason, I wouldn't recommend it to a backpacker. It's amazing to go and see because the financial buildings, they are genuinely so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. The displays at night time when all these financial buildings have their lights going is pretty spectacular, and the best place to go watch it is on the other side of the harbour. Victoria Harbour, I believe it's called. So that's what I think about Hong Kong. I hope you like the video.
I don't wanna dive in and they miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me.